What's up? It's Neen Williams, and today we're going to do some stretching. Stretching is key for any physical activity. It's key for when you get out of bed in the morning. It'll help prevent injury. So let's do this. Before I stretch, I like to do a little cardio. Jump roping, a little stationary bike, whatever. Just anything that'll oil the hinges and loosen my joints up. Then I like to do a couple reaches to the sky. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth, stretching high and tall, feeling every muscle fiber stretch. Stretch out our shoulders first, our AC joint. We're just gonna cross our arm over our body, pull it back with the other arm, and we're gonna hold this for about 40 seconds each side. This next one gets your shoulder as well, a little bit of your obliques and some of your back. Cross your arm over your head. Use your other hand to grab your arm by your elbow and pull, bending your upper body with the stretch. Now let's stretch out our hamstrings. This is good for any physical activity. What you want to do here is stand with your feet shoulder width apart. You want to bend your knees slightly, push your butt back, and bend over, reaching for your toes. You want to keep your back neutral, nice and straight. You don't want it to be bent or arched. You want to put all the pressure and weight into your heels so you feel it in the back of your legs, your hamstrings. And now for the quads. What you want to do is stand with a slight bend to your knees, kick one leg back, hold your leg by the ankle, and pull till you feel a stretch on the front of your thigh, your quads. Hold this for about 30 to 40 seconds and switch legs. Now for the calves. What you want to do is put your hands on the wall, slightly bend your knee, kick one leg behind you, stand flat-footed, and put some pressure onto the wall, almost like you're pushing. And you should feel a stretch in that back leg calf. Hold this for 30 to 40 seconds and then switch legs. Now let's get down to the ground. We're gonna stretch our groin out. We're gonna put our feet together, our elbows on our knees, and we're gonna push our legs down as far as they can go to the ground. We're gonna sit with our chest up and breathe in deeply. This one here will also help stretch your groin and a little bit of your back. Just bend one leg in, extend the other leg, and reach for your toes. This one here will help stretch your glutes and your back. You want to cross over your legs, and then the bottom leg you want to bend to your glutes. Then you want to cross over your arm over the cross leg and stretch your back and your glute. It's easier to watch what I'm doing than for me to explain this one. Now let's stretch our glute. Bend your leg over at like a 90-degree angle. Stretch down, extend your back leg. Look up to the sky, chest up nice and high. Remember to do both sides with all these stretches. Now for some cat-cow. This is a really good back stretch. This will get it nice and loose. What you want to do is get on your hands and knees. You want to look up to the sky, poke your butt up, arch your back, and then crunch, looking towards the ground. You want to thrust forward. You want to do this about 10 to 20 times. This will really get everything loosened up. Same position here. You want to put your hand on your head. You want to use your elbow as your guide, and you want to twist your body, pointing your elbow to the ground and then up to the sky. This will really loosen your back up. Do about 15 of these. Do both sides. Lastly, we're going to stretch our lats. Find something to grab on. You're going to push your butt back, kind of in like a squat position, all your weight in your heels, and you want to slightly twist your body till you feel the stretch all down your back. Do the other side, and you're done. You're ready to do any physical activity, or if you want to sit down and watch TV, you'll be all nice and stretched out and Stretching is going to help prevent injury and make you feel nice and good and loose. Thanks for joining me. Till next time.